Hi peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got a little unboxing for you from a readily available, certainly in the UK, high street store, although I did purchase this from their website, and this is a canvas that came from the works. So it comes in a big box because it comes ready framed. So I am quite a fan of this style of canvas because, as many of you I'm sure will know, it is tricky to find frames and sometimes expensive to find frames to fit canvases. This was, as we can see here, bargain price of £12. And yeah, it says crystal art canvas creation, and we will get inside and see what we get. So we've got instructions on the back of the box, and then there we go. Right, much like the Diamond Diary one that I unboxed a little while ago, this has everything packed in the back of the canvas. So it's going to be a bit rattly while I open this, but hopefully then it'll go a little quieter. So this is really nice to see that we get acrylic drills that come with a DMC number. So hopefully that is a sign that they will be of good quality. They come in the silver stripe packet, which certainly from my experience, this type of packaging tends to be pretty good. So as you can see, we've got our symbols here, which are alphanumeric. Doesn't look to be anything that would immediately stick out to me as being a problem, but we'll see what they look like on the canvas. The canvas size is listed as a 50 by 40. I will measure that. Obviously, toolkit wise, we have boat wax pen, and it's about 3 baggies in there. I'm not going to bother taking those out. So yeah, 50 by 40 is what they're saying. Just move you out a bit. So let's have a look. It is poured glue. We've got our clear cover here, and it's 35. Yeah, so the size that they've given of 50 by 40 is for the whole framed canvas, not the painted area. I know a lot of the canvases, particularly the cheaper ones from the works, tend to be partials. This is a full round drill and looks incredibly clear. It is on a board backing with a wooden frame, which the canvas comes pre-stretched over. What that means is that you won't be able to use a light pad. However, I will just bring you down again and you'll be able to see when my canvas, when I can get you in focus. Hello, focus. You can see just how clear that canvas is. There's obviously a lot of colour blocking in that middle section. And then we've got the flowers around the edge and the hummingbird in the middle. What I really liked about this is that the image continues over the edge of the frame. So you have the drilled section in the middle and then the outer area that will continue the image in its printed form. We'll just go through the colours quickly. Another little bit of crackly noise, I'm afraid. Bear with. Okay, so we've got, oh, hang on a second. These, we've got ABs. Yeah. Yeah, those have got an AB coating on, which you probably can't. No. Silly camera. Right, so our, what number was that? A25. So that's, oh yeah. We've got several ABs. How did I not notice that before? Okay, I'm going to bring you down again. So yeah, we've got the 5200 in an AB. We've then got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packets of the 820, which is going to be this A, this big section in the middle. So what else do we have? Ooh, there we go. Okay. We've got, oh, okay. Calling itself 550, but it looks very dark to be 550. It's one of my favourite colours, which is why I'm sort of familiar with it. Let me just, hold on a sec. I've got 550 and what I'm currently working on. It's not as far off as I was thinking. No, I think it is just a lighting thing, but we will see. So we've got 550. 415, 318, then 312 and 165. Let's find these other ABs. We've got a lot of lovely reds and pinks. Can't spot any 80s there. We've got a little bit of trash in that one, but it's fine. Nothing major. Very pale pink, yellows, greens. Oh, lovely sort of pea green kind of colour. That is the 383. A lovely purple. Aha! Now we've got another AB here. This is 211. So it's number. So it's going to be 307. What? Oh no, yes, so it's the letter A on the canvas. So we've got that sprinkled throughout the pink flowers. And then in the wing of the hummingbird, sprinkled throughout. So that's a lovely lilac AB. We've then got a yellow AB, which is the letter I. Where are you going? Just sprinkled in the yellow flowers. Green AB, which is the letter T. Again, just highlighting within these areas. Beautiful fiery orange. This is 946 as an AB, and that is going to be letter G. So, oh, okay, there doesn't seem to be a lot of that at all. It's in these kind of orangey coloured flowers here. Yeah, they seem to have just sprinkled the ABs throughout, which is nice. And this is A24, it's a 936 AB, which is the letter X, which again is going to be showing up in these pink flowers. They are irises, I believe. So yeah, I think it's going to look really nice. I'm very surprised to see what we've got there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ABs in a canvas like this that just came from a high street store. It's lovely. Doesn't come with any hanging stuff, but this would sit on a couple of nails in the wall, and at least then you can get whatever fixings suit your wall type. Yeah, I am going to give this a go. It will certainly, I'm doing quite a lot of confetti at the moment, so something with a lot of colour blocking like this might be just the balancer that I need. So as I say, this was £12 from the works. They do, if you're ordering from their website, it's free shipping if you spend more than £30, which, trust me, is easy to do. So maybe, you know, get together with a friend who wants a couple of canvases as well, and then you can get free shipping. I, as always, will let you know how the progress on this one goes. I am still currently working on Gypsy Violet for the Spring Fling and also the Giddy Up event. I will be doing an update for that on Wednesday. So until then, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.